Hi dear friends, I hope you are doing good. Welcome to my kitchen. Alright guys, today I'm going to do 3 kinds of chicken wings. Let's go. First, I clean the chicken, then we are going to marinate. I marinate with salt, pepper and chili powder, little bit olive oil. Mix well, then after 1 hour we can start fry. The 3 kinds of chicken means I'm going to mix 3 kinds of sauce. First hot sauce, then barbecue, then ranch. So let's go. Amazing wins guys. Don't forget to subscribe guys. See you next video. Good luck.